changed the game.
Because I knew that two-wheel drive van wasn't getting out. But then I had to keep. Yeah, we brought the van instead of the Jeep, and Jeep would have been better, but man, all-time four-wheel drive, 4.7 liters.
Gas mileage.
Really sucks a lot of gas.
That's now doing it now. That's a 7.8.
On the highway, I'm only getting 16.
Yeah,
It's a Jeep Commander.
yeah.
And the thing is just a...
Inline, probably, right? Straight six? Straight six?
No, 478.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's all-time four-wheel drive.
So super, that's good. 4.7 is a beast.
To the left side, left side.
Especially for Jeep.
I love it. I call it my redneck Cadillac. It's got a leather interior, heated seats and everything.
I'm not seeing anybody behind us, so let's get a little deeper in the woods. You think? You can do it. You can do it, my friend. Here. Avian. Avian. Right there. That tree? You got...
Is that,
right there, dude.
is that technically a Jeep? Right?
And you're not going through.
It's a Scout body. It's actual Scout.
What's your name?
Scout 2, yeah.
I know, but yeah.
But the body, there was really a International Scout 2 Harvester, I think is what it was called actually.
Yeah,
But
my buddy's got two of them. He's got a beautiful red one, the short cab, and then like a teal long, the full length edition.
so this is gonna be difficult because that vine. Oh yeah, that's gonna be real difficult. Hang on a
Oh, that's
second.
cool. I didn't even know if that could open up. Was that like you added that?
Yeah, I actually bought this particular body I bought already modified up. Somebody had done all the interior work and stuff. I'm not that crafty. Yeah. I ain't got a big enough tire to get over that vine. Nice.
Right? You know who M-Star is on YouTube? Matt Star? He's a fan maker, but he blows away.
Your post come down here. Your post come down here. Stay in there. They have to come down here. You have to come down here.
Doing?
Good, thanks. How you doing? Awesome. Actually, last year, I don't know which one it was, if it was this one or one of the other ones, they did have a bridge, but that bridge is now on 12 too. I saw it yesterday. So I can show you a picture. I can show you a picture of my Gen 8 on the bridge over one of these holes. There's a Facebook. They have Instagram and they have a Facebook page for this event.
Oh, they do?
Yep. Oh.
My dad doesn't have Facebook page.
Yeah, Ultimate Scale Expo or something like that. Facebook page. The people's been posting pictures yesterday and today. I posted a few pictures yesterday and tagged them. Going back this way.
Oh, I was just posting a bunch of that.
Yeah, I think last year was a bridge going over that hole.
Look.
What finger plate are you? Right here, boy. Hey. A little bit smoother. Oh, this looks like it would probably been something last year.
Edge with the fall, it's like a straight down clear. I did it.
Did you? I drove that same way all the way through.
Yeah, on the outside.
Yep.
Yep. I was like, I gotta do it.